they both want to go. I put the feed in the wagon so I could carry it to the to the critters, and both the babies jumped in. Ava? Ava? Go for a ride. Go for a ride, kids. Hey, Darla, can you pull? Oh my gosh. And there's Libby barking in the background, as always. Faith. Faith. Hi, Faith. Faith.